Ban peni ke jing Pyrshah halor ka jing temu jong sarkar pedang ban pentrikam ya ka uniform civil code Hapoh gari ki lightly ki autonomous district council ki badan Hapoh Jylla Meghalaya ki bakentup ya ka Khasi Hills autonomous district council ka Janta Hills autonomous district council bat ka Garo Hills autonomous district council hene ke singi ha ka jingilang ke balalong hanong ba kila Ieng Pyrshah ya ka sarkar India banom pediang dalilairu ya ka jing temu jong sarkar pedang ban pentrikam ya ka uniform civil code ha kini ki lightly ki jeka ki bahap Hapoh ka jing pet jing kmi jong ki lightly ki district council ong ki tigilangut ki CEM habakaran syakilat pathai khubor hadin ka jingilang balalum da ka JDC. Ka Sarkar National Democratic Alliance kadoni ke jing temu ban pentrikam ya ka uniform civil code Hapoh ka ribor Kawei kentup de ya ke Jylla Meghalaya. Ban nalor ki babon ki kenhun ki badan Hapoh ke Jylla ki lightly ki autonomous district council ki Ieng Pyrshah halor ke jing temu jong sarkar pedang ban pentrikam ya ka UCC ka balalong lengba jong karai ka balami na ke jingilang jong ki lightly ki autonomous district council ka balalong hanong ba Shillong mentang sengi. Haba kran sikilat pathai khubor u chief executive member jong Khasi Hills autonomous district council uba penia singsim ula pentip bagi lightly ki ADC kilarai ban pha da ka resolution ha ka khat sau trik mentau banai sha ka national law commission bat sha ka sarkar India ban penpau babar lightly ki ADC ki badan Hapoh ka Jylla Meghalaya ki Pyrshah jur ya ka UCC uba penia singsim mulai thuru ba hadu mentahi ki district council Hapoh ka Jylla kimpat yo setia ya kanu jing tho na ka national law commission ha ka bai dei bat ka UCC nalor jing tho ban Pyrshah ya ka UCC ka resolution ban pha sha ka law commission kan deiru ban ajimut sha ka commission ba ki district council bat ki pai ba nong shanong Hapoh ka Jylla Meghalaya ki Pyrshah jur ya jing temu ban pentrikam ya ka UCC ong uba penia singsim na galiang jong chairman jong ka high power committee jong ka GHADC URK sangma ulong ban galiang jong ka GHADC ru klada ban sim ya karai da ka resolution ban Pyrshah ya ka UCC URK sangma wa itu ru ba ka GHADC klada ban lum ya ka jingilang bat ki kenhun sang bahlang ba pher bat ki nokoma dang ha ki khendiat singi ki baladap bat ha ki jingilang la simru ya karai ban Pyrshah ya ka uniform civil code.
Today we are having a joint meeting of all the three autonomous district council in Meghalaya, that is the Janta Hills autonomous district council, the Garo Hills autonomous district council and the Khasi Hills autonomous district council. And the purpose of this meeting we're having today is with regards to the intention of the central government to implement the uniform civil code in India, which will include Meghalaya state as well. So regarding this meeting, we have a lot of discussion, interaction with all the three autonomous council. So in this meeting, we have unanimously took a decision that from all the three district council will oppose the implementation of UCC in the state of Meghalaya. So this is the meeting and also the decision that the outcome of the meeting today. And we have with us our CM from Garo Hills Autonomous District Council and the chairman of the High Power Committee of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council, and also we are having with us our CM, Honorable CM of the Janta Hills Autonomous District Council and also a member of the Janta Hills Autonomous District Council. So in this meeting, that is the only decision that we took today in this joint meeting. And we also decided that we'll send a joint resolution that will be signed by all the three council, and in this resolution we'll send before the 14th of this month, July, to the National Law Commission, and also a copy of this will be sent to the state government. Yeah, we will give some points on what ground do we have to oppose, because as we have already shared with you in the last week, we had meeting with different stakeholder like the HIMAS, the Khasi state, and also the NGOs in Shillong. We feel that implementation of UCC will dilute our rich culture, tradition and custom, and also our practices that we are having and also like provision that are given under the 6th schedule to protect and safeguard our rich culture tradition. So in fact it will affect inheritance system, our marriage system, and many, the land and the forest and everything. So we thought that this is the right platform that we could come together as the 3 district council to oppose on behalf of the state of Meghalaya.
Any recommendations from the district council, or you will just write by your own?
Actually, as such communication we have not received yet. But since the law commission has given this appeal in public domain, so we feel that as responsible citizen of the state and as responsible autonomous district council of the state, we should go ahead and inform them that we oppose such implementation, such intention to implement the Uniform Civil Code in India, which will affect our state, Meghalaya, as well. So I think with this meeting that we are having today, we had a unanimous decision that we took. Will forward the joint petition of all the 3 CM district council. We strongly oppose the implementation of UCC in the state of Meghalaya. So I think this is a very clear message to them that from a state of Meghalaya, we don't want UCC to be in place or to come into force in our state of Meghalaya.
Beriu jongi la ni jong ki disagam sul jongi bala prevent ni Hapoh ka ki kendan jong ka sipchide. Teni don ke jeng kendan putai. La da ngimpen iya ke ni teni tai mo kala ban dia ayu ro yu. Da jak bengi la ni kumba yang men da ke jeng snu tu lang boro lai ni ki disagam sul ni ni san ha ke juk ka jing san lang da ngimpa lang tai kum kata kada ke jeng mon jolang wala dan ipha lo kejong ka resolution ada ni das turun kam bantan Kawei ka resolution da ka barang India saja.
Yeah, thank you so much, all the media houses. I welcome you and thank you for giving us this chance and opportunity to show our opposition, a strong opposing this bill which is going to be passed. So we strongly, the reason why we are here today is because it was the initiative taken, and I strongly thank and the initiative taken by the CEM and other members of the Council's Autonomous District Council. Like you said that yes, we had a couple of series of meeting with all stakeholders of the society in Garhwal's Autonomous District Council. We had meetings with Nongpoh, we had meetings with all the NGOs, and we had also had a meeting with all the stakeholders, senior citizens likewise. Yes, of course, we have taken a resolution, would be taken as in it has been taken, but then it has not been drafted yet. So it is in the process of getting drafted. Hopefully by evening it should be in our hands, so that we can have a joint resolution like our CM from KHDC had said that we will draft a resolution jointly so that it is in the process. So it will most probably by before 14th, then we will be able to give a resolution before 14th to the law commission, National Law Commission. So it will be in that process we will move forward. And I strongly oppose on behalf of the GHDC, the central government which is trying to implement this UCC, we strongly oppose. And today why we are here today is that we could have given a resolution all by ourselves as well as all the 3 ADCs, but we thought in a different way that I think if we stand together, our case would be much stronger and people will hear our voice. That's it.